Hello, my name is Joyce Avila, and today I'll be sharing with you some information about Snowflake native apps. Snowflake recently announced a new specialty certification. This new specialty exam is for native apps. The beta version of the exam is half price and runs through January 29th, 2025. You do need to have a SnowPro Core certification to take the exam. The exam tests users over 4 domains: framework overview, app design and creation, installation and testing, and deployment. Within these 4 domain areas, you'll need to know the components, privileges, and architecture of the native app framework. You'll be tested on how to design a native app, publish an app package, install and manage an application, and troubleshoot issues. You'll need to know how to manage app access through SQL, Streamlit, and Python. In addition, you'll need to know how to create and manage Snowflake Marketplace listings for native apps. If you have knowledge and experience with Snowflake native apps, you may be ready to take the exam. I'd recommend looking through the Snowflake study guide for native apps before you sign up for the exam. I've included both of those links here and in the video description. If you're new to Snowflake native apps, there are some free Snowflake resources to help you get started. First, there's a recent article written by Cam Gorey that provides you with a good overview of Snowflake native apps. The Snowflake Developer Guide has a tutorial you can follow along to create and publish your own Snowflake native app. And if you really want to become a Snowflake Native App Pro, there's an in-depth boot camp you can attend with Phoebe He as your instructor. The link to this boot camp and other Snowflake Native App resources are included in the video description. Best of luck to you in your journey. You can find me on LinkedIn and GitHub, as well as on YouTube. I always welcome new connections.